Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all the students of grade 1. First of all, how are you all? I know due to the current situation, we are not coming to school for 2 days. So that's why I have posted the lecture for you. In today's lecture, we are going to do some pages of Unit 3. I think two of the sections have done only 2 pages of that, but I am revising all. So if any one of you haven't done that page, so you can do it with me. So kindly children, bring your science textbooks and put them near to you. Bring your pencils, erasers. So we should start the lecture. Okay students, so this is unit 3, living and growing, and this is your lecture 20. The last lecture we had done in the Google Classroom before coming to school was lecture 19, and today it's 17th November, Tuesday, so we are doing this lecture 20. Okay class, so write date and day on page 42 of your science textbook. Write today's date and day. It's 17th November 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Write classwork 17th November 2020 and write day is Tuesday. What is the topic? Eating and drinking. Eating and drinking. Find out why we need a healthy diet. Okay, why we need a healthy diet? We need a healthy diet to maintain good health. And also the healthy diets can lead to health problems. Yes, if our diet is very much healthy, so our health should also be good. And we get rid of many health problems. The big idea. The right sort of food and drink keeps us healthy. If we eat right sort of food, which is healthier, and if we drink good as fresh juices, if we drink milk, so that is also good for our health. We don't have to take fizzy drinks that are not good for our health. What did you have to eat last night? Yes class, what did you have to eat last night? Write down what you had to eat last night. As I had rice and chicken in my dinner last night, so I wrote rice and chicken. You have to write what you had last night in this white box. What we eat every day is called our diet. What is a diet? The things we use to, the food we use to eat in our daily routine is called our diet. So we need to eat 5 kinds of food to stay healthy. You can see that there is a very yummy plate over here, and in this plate they are showing you 5 very much healthy diets, and it has a balance of 5 key food types, the right balance of 5 key food types. As you can see, at number 1 we have fruit and vegetables, then we have bread and cereals, then meat and fish, fat and sugar, milk and dairy products. These are the 5 right balance food types which we have to take daily in our routine diet, but you don't have to take very much of all of these. We have to take in little portions all these things, all these food. We don't have to take extra of any of these. We have to take more of food types 1 and 2, then we do of food types 3 and 5, and the little bit of we have to take the food type 4 as fat and sugar. And now I'm going to tell you that how much quantity of each food type we have to take. As fruits and vegetables, maximum in our diet we have to take fruits and vegetables because they are very much healthy. So 33% of fruits and vegetables we have to add in our daily diet. So you have to write 33% on fruits and vegetables. Write 33% on fruits and vegetables. Then at the second we have bread and cereals. Yes class, bread and cereals also we have to take 33% because in our diet the maximum portion of food which we have to take is fruits and vegetables and bread and cereals. Then we have meat and fish. How much portion of meat and fish is required in our daily diet is 12%. 12% we have to take meat and fish. Then it's fat and sugar. We don't have to take too much of fat, only a little quantity of fat is required in our daily routine diet, as we can take a little piece of chocolate or we can have cheese. Cheese is good for the kids, it's healthier as well, but we don't have to take too much of sugar and fat in our daily routine. Okay, then at the last we have milk and dairy products. Milk we have to take. So milk and dairy products as yogurt, as cheese, in which we have milk included. So there we have to take 15% of their amount we have to take. So class, this was your page 42. Now come towards page 43 and also write and rate and day on page 43. Okay, so this is page 43. Write today's date, the date and day on it as 17th November 2020 and Tuesday. And let's start it now. Start reading it from the top with me. Our diet helps our body to grow. Yes class, our diet basically helps our body to grow properly. So if we take a healthy diet, a good diet which includes lot of fruits, vegetables, which includes a little portion of meat, fish, and which includes milk as well, which includes yogurt as well, and a very less quantity of chocolate or any fatty product. So then we will become healthy, we grow properly. We also need lots of water to stay healthy. Yes class, we have to take at least 10 to 11 glasses of water in our daily routine to be healthy. We cannot eat just one or two kinds of food. This will make us unhealthy. Yes class, if we eat one kind of food daily or in our daily routine, if we love to eat one kind of food or two kind of food and we don't take other foods, so that would also be unhealthier for us. To be healthy we have to maintain a balanced diet. And what does balanced diet means? It means that we have to take all kinds of healthy food in a little portions. If people do not eat a healthy diet, what do you think might happen? What do you think? If we won't take a healthy diet, what would happen to us? Yes, we might get ill, get fat, get too thin if we won't take a healthy diet. Look at the picture of the food plate. Make a model of a healthy meal. Yes class, this is very interesting. As I have shown you the healthy plate on page 42. What you have to do, you can do as you can make your healthy plate in which you can take little bit of fruits and vegetables, and you can take some cereals as rice. You can have rice, you can have any other cereal, or you can take a glass of milk or a fresh juice and you can eat it, and it would be very yummy, and in the class we will discuss that who ate the much healthier plate of food. Investigation. Which foods are healthy? Yes class, which foods are healthy we have discussed, as fruits and vegetables are very much healthy. Then bread and cereals are very much healthy. And bread, you have to take the brown bread, don't take the white bread, that is not healthy. Then we have to drink milk, we have to take a lot of water, and if we want to have juice we have to drink healthy juice, fresh juice, and a very little portion of sugar and fats we have to take in our diet. Look at different foods from our shop. Are they good for you? You have to cross this line because we just have to discuss this question. We will not write it. Yes class, if we go to shop, we can see different kinds of food in which mostly are not healthy, as I'm talking about the junk food. Junk food is not at all good for you. Then there are the fill in the blanks. Come towards the fill in the blanks. Why do we need a healthy diet? Yes, again they are asking you why we need a healthy diet. Yes class, why we need a healthy diet? Yes, we need a healthy diet to be healthy and to grow properly and to look fresh as well. Then fill in the correct words. They have given you two words, grow. The first word is grow and the other is water. You have to use these two words in your blanks. Number 1, we need to eat a healthy diet to water or grow? Yes, grow. I know you all know the answer. It's grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Write grow in the first blank. Second blank. We need to drink lots of dash to keep healthy. Yes, we need to drink lots of water to keep healthy. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Write water in the second blank. Okay, then we have a circling part. Circle the answers. There may be more than one. Yes class, that is very interesting. We have discussed these all in page 42. Sorry. Number 1, a healthy diet has lots of, yes, a healthy diet has lots of, yes, fruits and vegetables and cereals. We have to circle apple. We don't have to circle cheese because you know that it has fats in it, and we just have to take little portion of cheese. Then we have to circle the vegetables. Then we have to circle bread, and then we have cereal. It has rice in it in the bowl. We have to circle rice. Yes, it has some. Yes, then it has some portion of, yes, fish and meat and some portion of milk as well. But maximum we have to take fruits and vegetables. After fruits and vegetables, some part of fish, meat and dairy products as milk we have to take. Circle fish, meat and the milk. Then last we have, it has a little bit of, yes, it has a little bit of chocolate. I told you that we have to take very little portion of fats and sugar, so it has a little bit of chocolate in our diet. So circle chocolate in the last one. Okay class, now come to page 44. Also write today's date and day on this page. 17th November 2020 classwork and Tuesday. Okay class, you can see that in this page we can see a family picture, and then at the end of this page we can see different stages of human. As the first one is the baby, then we can see a child, and then it's a grown up adult, and at the last we have a old man. So on this page, now we are going to discuss different life stages of life cycle of humans from childhood to old age. So read it from the start. Families. Learn that babies grow into adults. Discover that babies are called offspring. Yes, we have discussed this on the first page of this unit, that the other name we used for babies is offspring. 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 The big idea. Some humans have babies who then grow into adults. Yes, first when we born we were babies, then we become children and then adults, and the last stage is the old stage. How many children are in your family? Yes class, how many children are in your family? There are dash children. Yes, you have to write how many children you have in your family, as how many siblings you are. So you can write either you are 3, 4, 5. So you can write the amount over here, number over here. Are you the youngest child? Are you the oldest? Are you in the middle? Are you an only child? I am, as I am in the middle, so I will write I am in the middle. So if you are the eldest child, you will write I am eldest. If you are the youngest, you will write I am the youngest. And if you are in the middle, you will write I am in the middle in this blank. Then we have a heading, growing. Humans have babies who start small and then grow. They become children and then adults. Yes class, you can see the 4 life stages of humans. As when we born, we are babies or adults? No, we are babies. You can see when we born we are babies, then we become children or kids, and after that we become adults as fully grown. You can see there is a man who is an adult, and then at the last we become an old. So these are the 4 life stages in our life. Okay class, so this is the last page of today, page 45. Write today's date and day on this page also. 17th November 2020, classwork Tuesday. Write date and day. Now read it from the start. Human babies need lots of help to grow and stay healthy. Yes, human babies are the most difficult babies to brought up. They need lot of help to grow and to stay healthy. You can ask your mamas that how much it was difficult for them to brought you up. Can you think of 2 things that babies need help with? Yes, can you name 2 things that babies need help with? There are so many things, as feeding them, as changing their nappies, and to moving around. They need help in all their activities. Do all humans grow to the same size? Yes or no? Do you all grow at the same size? No. At the same time, we don't grow to the same size. So you should write no in this box. Write no here. And oh, no. Then we have investigation. Do all humans grow at the same rate? No class. All humans grow at different rates. Now there is one more question. How tall are you? Okay class, so how tall are you? The maximum height at your age is 3.5. So I wrote 3.5, but if you have a measuring tape at your home, you can measure your height and you can write your exact height over here. How tall is the tallest student? In class 1, the tallest student should be 4 So I wrote 4 here. Then how tall is the shortest student? Shortest height I think must be 3. So I wrote 3 inches here. Then what is the height of most of the students in the class? Mostly at your age the student's height is 3.5. Then at the last we have a question, what can we learn from measuring the height of everyone in the class? So what we have learned? We have learned that we can learn that humans do not grow at the same rate. Yes, what we have learned? We can learn that humans do not grow at the same rate. At same time they grow at different rates. Some are tall, some are short. Everyone has different growing rate. So this was all for today's lecture. Do this work neatly and I will check it in the class, inshallah. Okay class, this was all for today and your science copies are with me in the class. I will give them back to you when our school starts. So till then, Allah Hafiz, take very good care of yourself and thank you so much. Also class, prepare for unit 14 textbook pages which I have mentioned in the Google Classroom yesterday. I will take their test in the next week inshallah. So till then, Allah Hafiz.